HHB break number 53. We've got a box of contenders and a box of SP Authentic 13-14. We'll start with the two free teams. We've got Carolina after 3 randoms and the Sens after 6. So let it just focus. Today, come on, man. There you go. So, a sec. Okay, so 3 times. Two and 3. So, Danny with the Maple Leafs, you get Carolina. 1, 2, and 3. Total of 6 times. Logan with the Sabres, you get the Sens. So, Danny and Logan. So, we are ready to go. Just put this down, like this. And here we go. Box number 57. I hope we get a patch or a booklet. A patch, I think. I think we have a patch. Empty box. Yep. Patch or a redemption for a booklet. So, good luck, guys. Here we go. First pack. For the Panthers, rookie ticket autograph of Alex Petrovich. For the Panthers. Base. 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 So it's going to be that type of box with a lot of base packs. For the Capitals, Alex Ovechkin, art contenders to $4.99. Art contenders to $4.99. It's something. Base. For the Maple Leafs, rookie ticket to 600 of Spencer. Sorry, the focus doesn't work. It's Spencer Abbott. Rookie ticket to 600. Base. For the Devils, John Merrill, NHL Inc. I hope so. NHL Inc. for the Devils of John Merrill. For the Devils, Selkie Contenders to 4.99 of Travis Zajac. Travis J. Zajac out of 4.99. Selkie Contenders. I hope it's a nice patch. Meryl the Pokemon. We've got a rookie for Montreal out of only 100. Greg Patterin. Short print to 100. Greg Patterin for Montreal rookie. Base. For Colorado, Gabriel Landeskog to 4.99 Cup Contenders. To 4.99 Gabriel Landeskog. Base. For Calgary, Max Reinhart, rookie ticket autograph. Max Reinhart, rookie ticket autograph for the Flames. So one pack before the patch. So good luck, everybody. I don't want you guys to see. Oh, it's a free Team Mojo. Free Team Mojo patch. For the Hurricanes, Elias Lindholm. Rookie ticket patch autograph out of 100. Elias Lindholm. Very nice. 2-color patch. Very nice card for the Hurricanes. So that saved the box. He's a good player. So let's see. SP Atlantic number 62. No, you hit a Landeskog Cup Contenders to 4.99. Empty. So good luck, guys. Oh, nice for the Sharks. Tomas Hertl, Future Watch autograph out of 9.99. Boom. There you go. Tomas Hertl. Very nice. For Boston, Ryan Spooner, Future Watch out of 12.99. Authentic Moments for Colorado of Nathan McKinnon. Nathan McKinnon. Premier Prospects for the Kings, Tyler Toffoli. Tyler Toffoli, Premier Prospects for the Kings. Authentic Moments for Boston of Patrice Bergeron. Patrice Bergeron, Authentic Moments. For Pittsburgh, Chris Letang, Retro. Chris Letang, Retro. Oh, very nice. Oh, very nice. This must be a short print. It's the same guy that has the hurdle as this card. Limited auto for the Flyers of Bill Barber. Bill Barber for the Flyers. Limited auto. Nice card. Yep, cool card. So, oh, there you go. For Columbus, who has Columbus? Miguel. Ryan Murray, Future Watch auto out of $9.99. Ryan Murray out of $9.99. Nice. So, a nice box. Maybe we're gonna have a patch. We never know. Or an extra hit. For the Maple Leafs, Dion Phaneuf, Retro. Future Watch out of $12.99 for Detroit of Xavier Ouellet. Xavier Ouellet. Silver Skates for the Flames of Sean Monahan. Sean Monahan. Retro for the Oilers of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. I hope we get a patch. For the Buffalo Sabres, Johan Larson, Future Watch out of $12.99. Authentic Moments for Dallas of Tyler Seguin. Future Watch out of $12.99 for the Devils of Reed Boucher. Reed Boucher out of $12.99. Come on, Patchy Patchy. Retro for Buffalo of Cody Oxen. Cody Oxen for Buffalo. Silver Skates for the Islanders of John Tavares. John Tavares for the Islanders. Silver Skates for Boston of Bobby Orr. Bobby Orr Silver Skates for the Boston Bruins. 2 packs left. Authentic Moments for the Rangers of Rick Nash. Ricky Nashi. Last pack. No patch. No patch. Sorry, guys. Oh, but it's a nice one. It's almost the first time I see this one. Authentic Moments of Patrick Roy for Montreal. So, that's it, guys. Small, quick break, but some nice pulls. So, thanks everybody for participating, and see you next time.